I'm calling this chicken three ways, but it's sort of my take on Hainanese chicken rice. It's very similar to some of the Middle Eastern dishes I've been making, and it couldn't be simpler. You simmer some chicken in water with garlic and ginger, and then use that broth to make both a soup and rice. See? Chicken three ways. Start out by crushing a piece of ginger with a rolling pin or something that's heavy. Go ahead and set it aside when it splinters like this. You'll use half for the broth and half for a dipping sauce. Lightly crush some garlic cloves and set those aside as well. You can just pull the peel off really easily. In a pot over medium heat, go ahead and heat up 1 tablespoon of oil and gently saute your ginger and garlic until fragrant. Add in your chicken. I'm using 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs and enough water to cover everything up. Season with just salt and pepper and let it simmer for about 40 minutes. Once it's done, remove the chicken to cool. Next, measure out 1 cup of white rice, add it to your rice cooker, along with 1 3/4 cups of that chicken broth. If you don't have a rice cooker, making this on the stovetop would work as well. We'll use the blender to make the dipping sauce. All you need is 1 Thai chili pepper with the stem removed and the rest of that piece of ginger. Just tear it apart or cut it into smaller pieces. Use some soy sauce to make up the rest of the dipping sauce and just blend it until it's all well combined. This is how I like to plate up this dish. You've got the chicken broth rice on the bottom, with your simmered chicken on top. I take it off of the bone, and I serve it with some fresh slices of cucumber. The dipping sauce is on the side, and you make a clear soup with the rest of the broth. I know it seems like a lot, but you have plenty of time while the chicken simmers to get the rest of it ready. Traditionally, you'd use a whole chicken and cut it up so that you have a combination of white meat slices or dark meat, but I'm being lazy and just using dark meat. As for the soup, all I did was strain the broth and add some shredded cabbage and carrots. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Does chicken three ways sound good to you? I'd love to hear from you.